Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel ENQRides53. This is Naveed here. As you would have seen from the thumbnail, this video is about unboxing and installation of new Nighteye LED lights on my TRK as one of the bulb is worn out. That is, to be specific, it's a low beam light which is worn out. After a lot of research, I have finalized these lights as there are a lot of positive reviews on internet, and I saw that the lights are really bright and the throw is really good. So let's get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, the brand, these are some instructions for the installation. The brand is Nighteye, and the bill, let's keep this aside. Okay, so these are the bulbs. So one recommendation here is when you are ordering these Nighteye LED bulbs, order it from their official website. I'll leave the link to this product in the description section, because there are a lot of fakes which are being sold on Amazon. So just make sure to purchase it via the link mentioned in the description. Let me get started with unboxing. Okay, so these are the LED bulbs, if you can see here. The build quality is really good. Let's see how these work. So apart from these LEDs, there's nothing else in the box, and I have a product manual, and I have, I think, 1 year warranty service. So let's keep this safe for any warranty related issues. Okay, so coming to these LEDs, I purchased these LEDs for around 3,000 rupees. To be honest, I ordered these around 2 to 3 months back, and they delivered it in 5 to 4 days, because it was from the official website. If it was from Amazon, they'll do it within a day or two. The one advantage of buying from official website is you will not be given a fake product. Okay, so coming to the details of it, these LEDs are 75 watt each, and these are 13,000 lumens, and they are pretty bright, as I've seen many reviews. So this is all about unboxing. So let's get started with the installation. Let's head out to Moto Junction for the installation. I've asked Mr. Ibrahim to wait for me for the installation. All right, let's head down. All right, so on my way to Moto Junction. As I said, I need to get these lights installed. I spoke with Ibrahim, he is available. Though he is not well, he has agreed to fix the lights, and I have a few things to be installed on the bike, like helmet mount and what do you say, this strap. So an hour or two will be spent there, based on Ibrahim's availability if there are no bikes. So I'll get all the things installed and get back home in a couple of hours. Okay, we are almost there. We're almost here, Moto Junction. So finally in Moto Junction, the bike is already parked inside, and this is Mr. Ibrahim, as you would have seen in the previous service videos. So we'll get started with all the work. So the things what I need to do is need to install the LED lights, the Nighteye LED lights. The next thing is need to get the chain sorted. Now it is currently loose. Need to get the chain sorted. I need to change the handle grips. I've got the new ones. I'll show you when I'm installing it. And the another thing is minor checkup, and then that's it. I'll be heading back home. So finally I'm getting these lights installed on my bike. So the current setup is I am using I think LGP lights. I thought of doing the before and after, but the thing is the low beam light is broke, so I can't do that. So let me install the lights and show you the throw of it. Clear even. See, as you can see, the low beam light is not working. It is just there's no throw. There's no throw at all. So only the high beam is working. So that's the reason I'm changing both the lights.
LGB
3 साल बाद हो रहा है
वो भी निकाल लेता हूँ
Okay, as you can see, this is the low beam bulb of LGP. It's burnt here, so that's the reason why it wasn't working. Anyways, it worked for 3 years. Good. Good. Super Ala. Installing the new lights.
100% भाई
ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೆಟರ್
ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡು ಈ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತೆಗಿಯೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
Installation is done. Let's see how the lights look. These look bright compared to the LGP ones. Let's see the throw. You'll not be able to see the difference, but I'll make a video at night to see the throw of this light. So for now, the installation of this LED is done. So now I need to get the handle grip installed. Let's get started with that. I'm installing this handle grips on the TRK. The stock pins are like these. So I'll be installing these. So let's get started. Okay, so all things done, tested and everything. So leaving for home now. Prembe, Allah Hafiz. The Nighteye lights look promising. Looks bright, but need to be tested at night. So once I go home, I will check the brightness of the lights as well. I mean the throw and the brightness. I will add it to the vlog First, for that I need to reach home, then wait till the night and then record the video. So see you at night for the light testing. Whoa. So done with the installation of the headlights. So as you can see, this is the low beam. The performance is quite okay compared to the LGP ones which I had, and if you see, this is the high beam. I'm pretty impressed with the high beam here, not so much with the low beam. I think you can see the difference, low beam and high beam. Kind of okay for the city, but again my point is for highway midnight runs, you need these aux lamps, without which it will be really difficult. This is the installation and review of the Nighteye 75 watts light. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do share and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.